So students, as we are discussing social marketing concept, let's have a look at the advertisement through which you will understand how social media advertisements are working in order to persuade the customers to do some benevolent job for the welfare of the deprived people. So let's see the advertisement.
नंदिता, तुम तैयार नहीं हुई। वो लड़की आने वाली होगी।
मुझे नहीं मिलना उससे।
क्या हुआ?
ये मेरा फैसला नहीं था।
तुम्हारे बेटे का था।
और तुम्हारा भी।
नंदिता, अगर तुम्हें पसंद नहीं था तो मना कर देती।
हाँ, हाँ, ताकि दुनिया के सामने मैं बुरी बनती।
क्या तुम्हें अपने बेटे पर इतना भी भरोसा नहीं? ये उसका अपना फैसला था।
और मेरा कोई हक नहीं था।
नंदिता, अगर तुम नहीं मिलोगी तो तुम्हारे बेटे का दिल दुखेगा। रिया,
जी।
आंटी, ये आपके लिए। जब चाहे अपने बेटे से बात कर सकती है।
So students, you must have seen how the social marketing advertisements are working. This advertisement was all about organ donation. So there are so many societies and organizations out there in the market which are working to appeal intellectual people, sensitive people to go ahead and donate their organs. It could be their eyes, it could be their kidneys, livers, and even heart. So with the help of technological advancements today, this is quite possible to donate the organs from one person to other person. So this is how social marketing concept works and they promote. So let's start with the next concept in the marketing, which seems a very common word, which very common concept. You must have heard this word millions and millions of times since your childhood. The word is called brand. All right. So the moment I'm saying brand, what comes to your mind? To any person, brand means what? To a normal person, to a common man in the society wandering around us, if you ask them, do you know the brand? They will say yes. If you ask them, can you name any one company's brand name? They will tell many brand names. So what exactly is? So brand means a name, a logo, a design, a structure, which is an identification symbol of an organization or of a person or of a product or company which is offering any kind of specific services. So what is the formal definition? It says a brand is an identification symbol or mark or logo. It could be a name, it could be a word, or even a sentence that companies use to distinguish, to differentiate, all right, their products from other companies' products. So do you understand? It's a symbol, mark, logo, name, word, or it could be a sentence that organizations are using to make themselves unique and different from other products. It could be a combination of one or more of those elements can be utilized to create an brand identity. So look at the logos outside. Look at the logos which have been given on this slide. So see, here in this image you can see some words over here: John Player, Raymond, Puma, all right, Louis Philippe, Levi's, Van Heusen, Alan Solly, Peter England, Roadster. So these all are the identification symbols towards the organization. All right. So look at this image over here. All our electronic commodities are here. Nokia, Sony, Panasonic, those all are the words over here. HTC. But look at this logo, Mercedes-Benz. All right. So even if the word is not mentioned over here, this one single symbol is sufficient enough to identify what this logo is for. All right. Look at this logo, Apple. Even if the word is not written over here, you can understand this is an Apple company's symbol. Look at this logo, Louis Philippe. Even if the word is not mentioned over here, you can easily understand this belongs to Louis Philippe. All right. So this is how Google, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Walt Disney, then Kellogg's, Yahoo, Nestle, Bata, Bisleri, and number thousands and lakhs of products are there, companies are there, which are using an identification symbol to make themselves different from the other companies. So this is how the brand is. So let's move to the next point, which is important point for the students pursuing marketing education. What is the need of marketing in business sector, right? So since you have understood what marketing is, what promotional activities are, what are the roles of advertisements and marketing in organization, so let's look at what is the need of marketing in business sector. So why business sector require marketing? See, as we have discussed earlier, marketing is one of the important activities to understand what customers and consumers or vendors or suppliers are in the need of. All right. So any organization, when it is trying to manufacture something or supply something to its customers or consumers, that time it becomes their primary duty to understand what I should manufacture that will quench or satisfy my customers' needs. All right. So there are several different reasons we can quote in the need of marketing in the business sector. So let's see one by one what are the needs. The first need, to generate the awareness in the market or in the society. So when I'm saying awareness in the market, That means we have to create awareness in one certain geography. Next explanation we'll find in the next lecture, in the next video.